Hi guys! So today I am going to try the larimar. I have yet to try and figure out how to use this 2-to-1. It's very, very thin. It's like very thin. Other than just coating coasters and stuff. I don't know what else to do with it, but I have seen Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy use a 5-to-3, I believe, and Julie from Pouring Your Heart Out, she used a really thin one as well. So I figured, what the heck, I'll just give it a go and see what we do. I'm going to put about 40 grams in this cup. I have not tried, oh, that's a lot, okay. 4 grams, that's 7. That just doesn't seem like enough. I think I'm doing this wrong already. Okay, let's see here. I think I'm gonna do 30. Oh. Okay. 30 is 28. It's close enough. Okay. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit to about 15-ish, 16 for this one, and then the rest I'll put in here. Let's see what we get. Okay, 31. Okay, so I think I'll put a little bit more in this one. Do 20. Like a bee. Okay, so there's 20 in that one. I did 30 in this one. And 30 in that one. I think you're supposed to put more of the dark color, so I'm just gonna put the rest in there. 32, 33-ish. Okay. Okay, we'll just do that. Figure out how to turn that off in a minute. Okay. Okay. So now okay, so this is going to be my dark, this is my light, and this is my white. And I had 30 grams in there. So I'm going to do 3 drops of Julie Cuts paste. 1, 2, 3, just like that. I'll mix that. So all I did was I did the 2-to-1 exactly. I did it by volume, not by weight. And I mixed it for the 4 minutes, and then I started the video. So I did not put it in the debubbler machine. I did not wait for it to get to a certain temperature. I did not take its temperature, which I probably should have done. So I'll give that a little bit of a stir. I was thinking I might, since I'm experimenting anyways, why not add a little bit shimmer to the white. I'm not gonna do a whole lot. It's probably good. This is the Primary Elements. This is Pink Parasol. So I'll I'm gonna give that a stir in there. Probably gonna give me all kinds of clumps. Probably was a mistake, but you know, if you don't try, you never know. This stuff is so thin, so I don't know, guys. Okay, I'm not seeing any more lumps at this time, so I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna use the Holbein acrylic ink. I'm gonna use the deep red and the dioxazine violet. And I'm gonna put the red, if I can get it open. Oh yeah, see, this is why. Get that little crusty bit out. Good Lord. Okay. Let's do 1, 2. Let's start with 2. Found another crusty bit that fell in there. Cut that out. Okay. Let's give that a stir. Because this is going to be the lighter one. So I don't want it too dark. So I had done a little experiment like you've seen Kim do, and it was I did the larimar with this as well, but I did wait until it got up to 33 degrees Celsius, which is like 91 degrees Fahrenheit for the last one. I'll show that to you. I will have a video of this going up. But I did the bloom first, and then I did the back. And it got some really cool like effects. It got the like bubbles in the background, and it made the bloom really stand out. But I really want to try and see if I can actually get a larimar. So this is very transparent. So I'm gonna stick with the 2. And then I'm gonna do the dark. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 to start. Sorry about the phone. Kids are home, so things are happening today. All right, so let's get this mixed in really well. But yeah, so the bloom worked fine. I've never been able to really, you know, consistently get a good larimar. So I figured, well, why not give it a try? And I'm sure there's other people out there that have some 2-to-1 resin, and they're trying to get it to work as well for some of these techniques. So I figured, why not? Let's just go with it. So I think that's gonna be dark enough, maybe one more. Okay, so I did 5 drops in this one, just to get it darker, just a teensy bit darker. Okay. Scrape your sides, make sure it all gets blended. Okay. So now I don't know if you can see, but there's like these tiny little pieces of the mica. So that's why you mix it and let it sit so those little tiny particles can come up. You probably didn't see it. I didn't put it in the camera well. I wasn't paying attention. All right. So let's give this a shot, huh? All right, this is a Julie Cuts by Pouring Your Heart Out. This is one of her molds, so let's give this a go. I do believe you're supposed to put in the white first. Okay. I'm just gonna spread that around a little bit, just to make sure it gets to the edges. Okay, then a little bit of bubble popping. Okay, and then the dark. Whoops, just dribbled on the cup. Okay. So far it's working because the white is overtaking the dark, so that's good. And the light. All right. Okay. Let's little torch. All right, and now I'm gonna leave it. I'll try and put you on a time lapse and we'll see how we do. Have a good day. Bye. Hi everyone. So here is the results. It just got done cooking. So here's the prettiness of the front. I actually really like the front. So even if the back side doesn't look good, at least I got this side, right? Okay, so let's check this out. I didn't want to put a backing on it because not knowing what the other side is going to look like, I figured why waste resin? So, okay, are you ready? Let's look together. No. But look. Okay, it may not be a larimar, but how cool is that looking? Wow. It looks, so I'm not sure if you can see it or not in the video. Oh my gosh. I actually really love this. There's definitely the sparkle because I put in the primary elements. But oh my goodness. It literally looks, if you want to have something that looks like an actual dragon scale, these little tiny pieces, oh my goodness, they look like dragon scales. It's gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, if I had done a bloom right here, oh my goodness, I would be extremely ecstatic. So, you know, guys, I am literally still trying to figure out how to use the 2-to-1. I don't know. But you know what? I'm going to keep trying. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I can find something for all of us that are using the 2-to-1 and figure out how we can get something beautiful. But you know what, guys? I really think this is beautiful. I really, really do. So thank you so much so much for watching. I hope you continue to watch. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I do brush paintings, I do fluid art, I do resin, I do a lot of different things. If there is something specific you would like me to try, please let me know in the comments. I do listen. I do try to follow through. One person asked me to do something that was Cinderella, and I did that. Please let me know. Have a wonderful day and keep creating. Talk to you soon. Bye.